Alright, Chapter 5, Installation and Organization, Section 1, Ports. To determine that the overseas ports that is used in here then refers to the ports which are located with the overseas base of defense compounds, overseas department theater operations are under the direct jurisdiction of the command thereof. There are certain ports or subports designed by War Department and as having same status with the port of the embarking in the continental United States accepted. The terms include with the headquarters of the headquarters company of the major port with the overseas the TOE and 55110 1, medium port overseas TNO E 55121, the small port overseas which made with the administrative the operational personnel detached from the major port overseas and selected from TO 55500. It is also includes subports which assist major medium ports are staffed in manner similar to the small ports, including in the definition of the detached operating with the housekeeping units controlled, administrated, supervised by the above organizations. Command: the commanding officer oversees part of the port is known to the port commander. His duties are established by the AR 5575 and then designed and described in great detail in 50 Field Manual 5525. The mission: overseas port provided for the reception, debarkment, and embarkment, transportation, transshipment with the personal animal supply with equipment. Other missions may include staging troops, the re-equipment of the troops, and operating with the armed chartered transportation, cargo vessels, repair ships, and other floating equipment. Location: the overseas part of the installation throughout with which personnel with the supply flow from the zone to the interior and route with the supply points for the communication zone on or near shore of the combat area. This may be established friendly with the territory where instrumentally with the future campaigns are being assembled. The overseas port likewise may be established in newly occupied areas with facility supplied with invading armies. 57. Operations. Overseas ports are organized to perform functions in the most expeditious, efficient manner under the commanding officer with the responsible for the authority over all activity of the port and competently trained staff with clearly defined duties and responsibility for the details of Operation Sea Field Manual 5525. Section 2, Depots. Generally, the basic organization, receipt, and the storage the issue of the supply of the Transportation Corp. Is the Transportation Corp. Depot Company, TO 55260 and 55260, TE 55260. Such company may operate the depot designed with a handle with in or out approximately 7,000 tons of supply per month. The depot company can operate along with the Transportation Corp. The depot without other companies to form the Transportation Corp. Supplying section, General Depot. It may also be used for the storage keeping of the report of the overseas handling of the marine supplies, spare parts, equipment, and as a supply unit of the military railway service for small ports, rail, and truck heads were in and out of tonnage approximately 2,500 tons a month. The functioning of the depot company may be handled with the Transportation Corp. Supplies section, TO and E 5500. 59. Mission. The mission of the Transportation Corp. Depot is in the requisition received with the storage issue of the Transportation Corp. The equipment, supplies and equipment, maintain stock record and accounts, prepare forward status for the supply reports. D. Report implementing shortages, excess for the item stock. And E. Identifying, classing, reclaiming salvage Transportation Corp. Material captured, enemy transportation equipment. Section 3. Storage staging areas. 60. Staging areas of the theater for the operation exist for the purpose of the processing troops following the department prior to the assignment and preparation of overseas movement. The staging area may be operated by the overseas port, section 1, by the base section through the section transportation officer for the purpose of movement of control. They are under the theater chief transportation mission. The staging area is responsible for receiving the troops, preparing them from the movement and the inspection of the cleaning of the cloth of the equipment and inoculations, units, records, and status of training and the general fitness for the assignment of the assistant preparation arrangements for the movement, acting as liaison with other services involved. Organization. The staging area of the complement is made with the up of the headquarters until the unit be obtained from the TNO E 55500 necessity number of the staging area of the company TNO 55147 and together with the personal support attached with the assignment from these other services provided with the proper technical operating facilities. Section 4. Table of organization units. G in the general. The military transportation services theater operation number. The separate table organization unit that provide the technical assistance performance in the mission. The tables are constructed to provide the greatest possible flexibility, meeting with theater transportation requirements and to fit installation without wastage power of the organization together with the transportation corps of the personnel secure through the allotment and supplemented with attached and signed personnel as required. 64. T&O units. The following list is a brief description of the Transportation Corporation of the Transportation Organization. Amphibian truck, the Transportation Organization equipment 5587, the primary function of the company, transfer cargo from the ship side of the beach dump into these installation where docking the facility is not inconsistent and adequate and inland operating with a hostile shore for the company with the desire to equip to move the 600 to 800 tons of the cargo between per 24-hour period, depending upon the operating condition. The company may also be used to load vessels and ports. The embarkment is often used for the transferring personnel from the ship to shore and the shore to ship. For detailed description of its operation, see Field Manual 55-150. The Army Marine Ship Repair Company or Table of Organization and Equipment 5547. This mobile maintenance for the repair is capable of traveling installation from theater to perform third and minor fourth line maintenance and repairs of small boats, harbor craft, loading equipment, and in some many cases the repair of large vessel the company is equipped with, and especially converted the ship of the barge fully with equipped with the machine, electrical, engine, and woodworking rigging on the paint shop. Headquarters in the company major port with the overseas table and organization and equipment at 55-110-1. Headquarters administrative overhead for the overseas ports capable of handling 300,000 tons of cargo and 50,000 troops per month is provided within the table. Headquarters and headquarters companies, medium port overseas table and organization and equipment field manual 55-121. The table organization provides headquarters with the administrative overhead medium-sized port which can handle 150,000 tons of supplies and 25,000 troops per month. Headquarters and headquarters department, detachment port battalion technical TNC and E 55-11-16. The headquarters unit is intended with the port of the battalions operating separately in an isolated location when authorized by the War Department and capable of controlling 6 port companies in the performance of their loading and unloading operations. See Technical Manual 55-310. Port Company Table and Organization and Equipment 55-117. This unit provides for the supervising personnel with the labor train in loading and unloading cargo, vessel ports, and beachheads and overshore anchorages. It contains the personnel for the maintenance of the cloud dock equipment and repair for the broken boxes and crates. Under favorable conditions, unit for the capable of unloading 150 long ton per hour with a 15 long ton per hour per hatch gang. Stagging Area Company Technical Order and Equipment 55-147. The company provides the messing facilities and port for the embarkment and the debarkment. Each of the companies is designed to equip to feed approximately 1,000 individuals per meal. Headquarters and headquarters company military railways for the technical order and equipment 55-302. Units control supervised railroad operation manual with the theater operation major geographical subdivision thereof. The field manual 55-50. Headquarters and headquarters company railway grand division technical table of organization equipment 55-202. The unit serve as the supervisor headquarters for 2 or 6 operating battalions and from 1 to 2 shop battalions. See field manual 55-50. Railway Operating Battalion Technical Table of Organization and Equipment 55-22-5. The organization adequately operated with the maintaining the two from 90 to 150 miles of the steam railroad. The Railroad Operating Battalion normally consists of the headquarters of the headquarters company with the maintenance of the way, company maintenance of equipment company, excluding diesel and electric section of transportation and company in the field manual 55-55. Headquarters and headquarters company railway operating battalion table and organization equipment 55-226. The company performs the billeting, messing, and supply function for the railway operating battalions. Also contains the train dispatcher office. The maintenance of the way company railway operating battalion company A, the transportation organization equipment, the field manual 55-222-7. The company performs the track, bridge, building, shingle maintenance, incident maintenance for the right of way with the impurity route and seas of the structure of the authorized for the War Department. Track and bridge platoons may be added to increase the capacity for the company. 3. Maintenance of the equipment company railway operating battalion company B with the transportation organization equipment field manual 55-228. The company is capable of making running repairs approximately at 30 steam locomotives and 600 cars. When diesel or electric motive power is involved, the War Department may authorize the activation of the diesel and electrical sections of the company to provide adequate maintenance of this equipment. The maintenance of the steam power motive does not require diesel electric section. The Transportation Company Railway Operating Battalion Company C, Table of Organization and Equipment 55-22-29. The company provides sufficient train crew with the maximum operation of 40 trains per day. Electrical Power Transmission Company Railway Operating Battalion Company D, the Transportation Organization Equipment 55-217. The company is capable of making electrical power transmission with approximately 200 miles of electrified railway. Company is not normally a basic part of the Railway Operating Battalion. Is activated only when authorized by the War Department. K. Railway Shop Battalion Table of Organization Equipment Field Manual 55-235 of the unit is adequate to make the classified for the repair of the following rolling stack for the 4 railway operating battalions. Railway Shop Battalion normally consists of the headquarters of the company, erecting and machining shop company, including the diesel electric platoon, boiler smithing company, and the car repair company, 50-man Field Manual 5560. Headquarters Company Railway Shop Battalion Table on Organization Equipment Field Manual 55-236. The company performs administrative billeting, messing, and supply function for the Railway Shop Battalion. Is also responsible for the plant and tool maintenance. Erecting Machine Shop Company of the Railway Shop Battalion Company A, the Transportation Organization, and Equipment Field Manual 55-237. The company repairs and maintenance the locomotive of the power or all diesel electric platoons are activated with the diesel or electric component power is involved with the authorized of the War Department. 3. Boiler Smith Shop Company, Railway Shop Battalion Company B, Table Organization Equipment Field 55-238, where the company performs all the boiler and blacksmith repairs necessary for the locomotive and the car. 4. Car Repair Company, Railway Shop Battalion Company C, with the Table Organization and Equipment Field 55-239, the company makes the repairs for the freight passenger equipment. L, the Base Depot Company, the TM Transportation Organization 55-260, the technical TE 55-260, the company received the source and the excessive transportation corps of the supplier of the equipment and the furnished for the administrator of the technical unit of the operating transportation corps, the depot theater operation made, the inspecting assigned with the repair salvage transportation corps, capturing enemy equipment. Headquarters Company, the Highway Transportation Technical Organization and Equipment Field Manual 55-402. T. The organization provides administrative planning, supervisor personnel with the coordinate with the direction and operational control of the Highway Transportation Service. Can contract civilian vehicles, labor with the supplement military vehicle operated with the N Transportation Corps Service Organization Table Organization and Equipment 5550. This is a composite table which includes 16 types of the units verifying and size of the function of these units designed with the following purposes. A. To supplement table organization, single purpose of the organization with additional trained technicians or necessary quantities less than technical or organizational strength to perform single purpose technical functions as part of a large organization where the need for such activities is less than the single purpose of the technical organization company or the other organization performs. Alright, C. The construction composites unit made with either a single purpose where the technical organizational units are provided with their new number of the small units variously trained with the techniques required for the functioning of the relatively small overall installation. 2. Technical order and equipment 55-500 divided in the following parts: headquarters mess unit for the maintenance repair units, marine and rail, ports, stevedore units, amphibian truck units, supply units, traffic regulation units, crew boats, hovercraft, cruise propulsion units, cranes, barges. The table is only source of the obtaining marine maintenance from the repairs units for the shore installation, traffic regulation, personal crews and small boats, hovercraft, hospital, train maintenance units, railway workshop, mobile units, and reference made with the appropriate field manuals of the 55 series. Your appendix. The following is a list of the War Department and publications which pertain to the military traffic service and various ways. Additional publications which are in interest of the reader for the manual listed in Field Manual 21-6 listed the index War Department publications. Field Manual 510, Construction Route for the Communication 9.5, Ordnance Services in the Field 10.10, Quartermaster Service in Theater Operation 11.5, Mission Function Single Corps Communications in General 19.5, Military Police 25.5, Animal Transportation 25.6, Dog Transportation 25.7, Pack Transportation 25.10, Motor Transportation 31.5 to landing on the hostile shores, 55.25 ports and headquarter companies, 55.50 military roads and military railway services, 55.55 railway operating battalion, 55.60 railway shopping battalion, 55.105 water transportation, ocean going vessel, 55.130 small boats, hovercraft, C1, 55.150 amphibian truck company, 105 field service regulation, 110 field service regulation administration, 115 field service regulation unit, 101.15 traffic circulation control, technical manuals, 5.250 foreign maps, 280 construction theater operation, 5.35 military pipeline system, 5.36 engineering port repair shop, 10.465 quarters master handbook, gasoline supply company, 10.470 Quartermaster Handbook Car Company, 10-475, Quartermaster Handbook Truck Company, 55-205, Transportation Zone of the Interior, 55-270, Operation Railroad, General Instruction for the Inspection, Maintenance of Locomotive and Locomotive Cranes, 55-271, Operating Diesel Railroad, Diesel Electric Locomotive, 55-275, Operating Railroad Maintenance Way Structure, 55-277, Operating Railroad Maintenance Signals, 55-285, Operating Railroad General Instruction for the Inspection and Maintenance of Rolling Stock, 55-289, Operating Railroad Standard Painting, Letter, and Numbering of the Railroad Equipment when published, 55-310, Stevedore, 55-320, Steamboat Hovercraft Preventive Maintenance, 55-350-325, Operating Maintenance of the Marine Hydraulic Pumps, Technical Bulletins, 55-275-1, Standard Plans, Roadway Track and Structure, 55-310-1, Stevedoring Index. And that completes the reading of your 55 Field Manual, 55-6 War Department Field Manual, Military Transportation Services in Theater Operations, War Department, December 1945.